Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to buy, activate and install Maya eSIM. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so to buy a Maya eSIM, you just have to go to maya.net, sign up for an account, and you can just buy an eSIM from there. So once you have done that, to activate the eSIM, you just have to log into your Maya mobile account, click my eSIMs in the navigation menu, and then just click install eSIM under your plan and click manual activation code on the pop-up, and then just copy the activation code and enter it on your device when prompted. So to use the activation code on an iPhone, you just have to go to your cellular settings, click on add eSIM, and then you just have to scan your code. So in this case, just go to cellular and click on setup cellular, and then you just have to set up an eSIM and scan your code. So this is how you do it on an iPhone device. You just have to put in your details like this. If you want to do it manually, or you can just scan it as well. And to do it on an Android device, just go to settings, go to network and internet, look for SIMs and download a SIM instead. On the message that appears, tap yes, then just put in your code and everything like that. So this is how you do it, guys. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.